Let's just get moving. Climb the rope, day 3 of our at-home walking challenge. 28 days to build strength, endurance, and really cultivate that habit of daily physical activity. Let's build some strength today. Build some endurance. Oh yeah, we're definitely going to boost our mood and elevate our energy. Reaching up and grabbing the rope, pulling it down, building strength in our arms and our legs. 10 minutes, low impact. Remember to comment job done when you complete the workout. Inspire others. Get that victory for the day. And keep building on it. More physical activity, more wins throughout your day. Happiest, healthiest self. Let's go. Okay. Just gonna warm up the body. Gonna try something here. Little block jack. Lots of steps today. See if we can't get around 500 or so. You keep moving throughout your day. Get your arms up nice and high, building great mobility in the upper back. Aiming for about 7,000 steps possibly today. That seems to be the sweet spot. Now, if you're used to getting 2,000 or 3,000, all right, aim for just an extra 100, an extra 200. Small habit changes create lasting impact. Just do a little bit more today than you did yesterday and keep building on it. Oh yeah, feel that in the shoulders. I know I do. Okay. Shake it out. We're gonna step and row. Just bring real presence, real awareness into each move. Open up the chest. Always go at your pace. Modify when you need to. Just keep showing up. Incredible consistency, which will build discipline. I really have found the more discipline in my life, the more freedom I actually have. Seems contradictory, but it really is true. Find the habits, the things that work best for you. And certainly a little bit of morning movement, 10 minutes of walking in the evening can absolutely give you more freedom. Whew. All right. And 2 more. Shake, shake, shake. We're gonna side punch. Get that step in. Reach it out and punch, punch, punch. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, this is great. A little bit of a stiff sore back. Did a big move yesterday. Whew, I'm feeling it. Still got to get up. Get the steps in the morning. Get that blood flowing, energy boosted, mood elevated. What a brilliant way to start the day, or end the day, or in the middle of the day, wherever you're at. Yeah. Couple more. Yes. If you can keep moving throughout every 10-minute workout, brilliant. If you need a rest, you take one. I'm going to simulate a jump rope. I mean, if you want to jump, by all means, if you're feeling it. But we can just arm circles. We're building strength in the arms, and we're walking. I'm going to take mine on a little bit of a lateral walk also. Building strength in different muscles when we move laterally. So when we do go walking, oh yeah, we're going to be so much stronger. This is, again, just readiness for the day. How can we get through our day a little stronger with a little bit more ease? Don't overcomplicate health, fitness. Go back to the basics, lots of walking, eat whole foods, try to eliminate processed and ultra-processed foods, quality sleep, quality relationships, and always have a positive mindset. You can always focus on what's bad in the world. It's always available. So is what's good. Okay. Shake that out. Do your best here. Just gonna step and a tiny squat. Step, getting that side step in, building some real strength in the legs. Let's just go with this for a minute or so. Do your best. You can go real deep into a squat by all means. I'm just maybe quarter, halfway. I encourage you, evening walk after your last meal. Get outside, get that fresh air. It's really going to aid digestion if you're feeling bloated. Uncomfortable after a meal. An evening walk can really change that. It's going to improve your circulation. It's great for relaxation, eliminating stress. Only 10 minutes, 1,000 steps. You got that. You got this too. One more. Shake, shake. Okay. Little clapjack. Get the leg up as high as you can. Yeah. If it's just here, hey, it's great. It's not how you move. It's just that we move. Move more often. If you struggle with sleeping, that evening walk really does affect the quality of sleep. Get some, if it's dark, get those natural cues that it's time to sleep. Align your circadian rhythm. You go for that evening walk and maybe then it's the end of screens for the day also. Come back home, read, meditate, something that gets you ready for bed. We can eliminate screens an hour before bedtime. Can have a huge impact on the quality of our sleep. It's difficult, I know. All right, one more, and shake it out. Okay, let's just walk. Brisk walk to finish off. Feel free to move laterally if you like. Only 10 minutes, hopefully. Boosted the mood, elevated our energy. We keep showing up day in and day out. We will build strength. We'll do some things where we focus on balance and mobility throughout the course of this 28 days. We just want to build this foundation to start. It's just about showing up. Show up for yourself every day. Pick up the pace a bit, just to finish off strong. You know, if you feel like a little quicker, you go a little quicker. This is just your start today. You're going to be so physically active. Take the stairs when you can. Park furthest from the entrance. Oh yeah. Find ways to move more. Get up and get an extra drink. Go get a glass of water. More times than normal. Every step matters. All right. Yeah. Oh. Set an intention for your day. But that intention is just to be more active. I'm going to be more physically active today. Find ways to move. You catch yourself. Oh, hey, my intention was to be physically active today. I'm going to go take those stairs. I am going to go for that evening walk. That was my intention. Keep coming back to it. Just be. Find freedom through discipline. Shake that out. You got your intention for the day. Keep coming back to it. Go have your happiest, healthiest day ever. I'll see you tomorrow.